So the video I put up yesterday was me plowing the first half of that storm. That was early in the morning. I went out like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, something like that. And I got through everything. I was back home by 8 o'clock, and to take Noah to school, which you saw if you watched yesterday's video. But then it continued to snow all day long. It was just steady snow. Nothing real super hard, but just steady snow. And so I went back out. It was supposed to end at 6 o'clock at night. It ended up ending at like 2 o'clock. So I went back out and went back through the list to clear everything up and to clean everything up. And so by I don't know, 5:30, 6 o'clock, I was back home and everything was done. And it seems like that's going to be it for now. But I recorded some of that footage. It's daytime footage, so go ahead and watch this.
Hold it up, we gon' burn it down.
I don't know why, for some reason, I never record as much when it's daytime. Like, I think because it's a second wave usually when I'm going through and I'm just tired by then and I just want to get it done. But you would think I'd record more in daytime because the footage, one, looks better, and two, you guys can see it more clear. So, but I don't know. I gotta get better at doing that. But anyway, so that's me cleaning up a little bit more of it. I went back through everything again, so I hit everything twice, and so everything's cleared up and everything's good to go. And I just went up now this morning and washed my truck. A couple of things you probably noticed if you watched yesterday's video and what you just saw right there. When I'm back blading, when I'm back dragging, I'm not scraping down as much as I used to. And I think what it is, I have the back drag edge on there, as most of you know, but I think what it is when I got the new rubber pieces for my wings, when I originally put them on, I had it in Ryan's garage because his concrete floor in there is perfectly level. So I had the blades set down, put the wings on, put the rubber pieces on, drilled through and bolted them on. Excuse me. But when I put the new ones on, I did them at my house, and I just took the wings off when I remodified them and welded the new bracing on the back. And once I did that, I just put the bolts right back through the same holes and put them on. But for some reason, I think those wings are hanging down like maybe a ½ inch lower than the actual blade, so it's not scraping as much as it should, because I think it's riding more on those wings than the blade. So I definitely have to address that, I have to fix that, because usually when I back drag, it's clean. I mean, it might look white in the camera, but that's just because there's a dusting, you know, just the coating you leave when it's when you back drag back. But there was like probably a ½ inch, ½ inch of snow left in them driveways when I was back dragging, and my blade doesn't do that. It's got to be because of those wings, so I have to address that. One thing I noticed a few days ago, I have a wheel bearing, a hub on the driver's side that started making noise. When I put that plow on, it was really making noise, so I was kind of nervous getting through that storm that hub was going to hold up. I got the new hub, but I also think the CV shaft is taking a shit on that side. It's just making some noise, so I got the new CV shaft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I don't know, Monday or Tuesday, I'm hopefully Monday, I'll get it in Ryan's garage, since I can't fit my truck in my garage. You get it in Ryan's garage, and I'll just rip it apart, replace the CV shaft and hub bearing assembly. No big deal, super easy job. It's just one more thing you add to the list, you know what I mean? So I have to do that. But I'm gonna end this video here. Guys, remember, if you haven't already seen it, go watch the 4-minute preview that Ben from Acme Mowing did for the live interview, which is tonight, okay? It is tonight. I believe he said it's like 6 o'clock Central Standard Time where he is, which makes it 7 o'clock over here on the East Coast where I'm at. But go and watch that, and that'll tell you specific. For some reason, I keep screwing up those times. But watch that. That live is going to be awesome tonight. There's going to be a special guest appearance on that live interview, and you can ask questions. I can't see them, but Ben reads the questions, and then he asks them to me. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a good time. Go and go mark it down, or you know, whatever you got to do, but tune in and watch that tonight. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.